Hello everyone. Today I'd like to take you through how to embed a YouTube video in your WordPress posts. And so very briefly I'm going to show you in YouTube where you go. You click on the embed button just below the actual video, and that opens up a little drop down here, and you can see some of the code is already highlighted. And then you'll see there's some check boxes here, include related videos. I always leave these all off so I don't have other things confusing my readers and my viewers. And you'll see that I can pick the different colors, shading of the box, and that gives you a little bit of a view right over here. And then you can see you can pick the size. I'm going to pick the 640 by 505. I'm going to do a sort of a light bluish gray color, and then I'm going to choose the actual code. It highlights it automatically. I can then just cut and paste it, and I'll take you over to the blog in just a second here. We're now in the WordPress dashboard. You'll see here that I've already created a post, embed video into WordPress post, and then rather than come into the what you see is what you get editor, the visual editor, which is the highlighted tab here, I'm going to actually go into the HTML portion. I've already actually typed in a couple of HTML codes to set that video so it will float to the left and allow text to wrap around it, which we'll see in just a little bit here. But that code that I've cut from the YouTube embed button, I'm going to now paste here. And so I did that with a simple Control-C command in YouTube, and then here I just do Control-V, standard keyboard shortcuts, but you could just as easily, right-click and say Control-Copy, just say copy, excuse me, and then you could also just hit the right mouse button and do paste. And so I've just done it with a shortcut, and you could do it with the paste button as well. So then I go back to visual, and I can see that I have this little video box here about the size that I downloaded or grab the embed code for. Now you have these choices, and I want to point this out. You have the choices to add an image, add a video, add audio, and add media. These what you see is what you get boxes. The challenge with those is they don't work very well, and they don't always do what you expect. So in HTML, avoid those buttons, grab the code. You can use this div style HTML and tell it to float it to the left, or you could say float it to the right, or float it middle, and balance your YouTube video that way. And then your text will also wrap around it as you start to write. Alright, now we're finished with embedding the video in our WordPress post, and so what I want to do here is I've added a little bit more text, but I want to just jump to View Post and take a look at our finished product. And you can see here that the embed video into WordPress posts. Here's the video that we embedded. Just view it in the actual viewer here on your site, which is the goal of embedding your video post into WordPress.